In the small village of Eldergrove, nestled between rolling hills, there was a lake known as the Whispering Lake. It was said to have magical properties, with legends that it could grant a single wish to anyone who could solve its mysterious riddle. One summer evening, a young man named Ethan, curious and brave, decided to visit the lake to uncover its secrets. As Ethan approached the lake, the sun was setting, casting a golden glow over the water. The lake was surrounded by lush, ancient trees, their leaves rustling softly in the breeze. Ethan could feel a sense of enchantment in the air as he walked along the path that led to the lake's edge. When he reached the shore, Ethan saw an old stone pedestal standing alone by the water. On top of the pedestal was an ornate ancient book with a cover that shimmered in the fading light. Intrigued, he approached and opened the book. Inside, he found a riddle written in elegant script. To find what you seek, listen and see, a truth revealed when the night is free. The answer lies where shadows play, in the stillness of the end of day. Ethan pondered the riddle, looking around the serene surroundings. He noticed that the shadows of the trees were growing long as the sun dipped lower in the sky. The riddle mentioned that the answer lay where shadows play, so he focused on the play of light and shadow at the edge of the lake. As the last rays of the sun touched the water, Ethan saw that the shadows from the trees formed a pattern on the ground. He followed the pattern, which led him to a small hidden alcove behind a cluster of rocks. There, in the dim light, he found a small ancient chest. With trembling hands, Ethan opened the chest and discovered a glowing crystal inside. The crystal emitted a soft, warm light that seemed to pulse with a gentle rhythm. At that moment, a soft, soothing voice echoed around him. "You have solved the riddle and found the heart of the lake," the voice said. "This crystal holds the power to grant one true wish. Choose wisely." Ethan closed his eyes and thought about what he truly desired. His wish was simple but profound. He wished for peace and happiness for everyone in his village. The crystal's light brightened and then dimmed as Ethan's wish was granted. The lake's surface shimmered, and a sense of tranquility filled the air. As Ethan made his way back to the village, he felt a deep sense of fulfillment. The Whispering Lake had kept its promise, and the village of Eldergrove would forever remember the evening when magic touched their lives. Ethan knew that the true magic was not in the wish itself, but in the kindness and selflessness it represented.